Hey, I'm Adam with CANiK USA, here today to talk about something earth-shattering. As you know, 3 years ago, CANiK launched the Signature Series with the Whiteout. Next was the Miami Days and the Miami Nights. Well, it's that time again, and we knew that if we didn't take it up a notch, it would be, shall we say, a disaster. Before you have a meltdown, let's get right into the 2023 CANiK Signature Series model with the introduction of the Apocalypse. In a time of Armageddon and desolation, survival is based on the basic necessities. The limited edition series of only 5,000 individually numbered Apocalypse sets covers these needs with a trusty CANiK METE SF, a matching numbered angled fixed blade, a matching collector's edition Zippo, and all the other accessories you would need to make it through these trying times. The Apocalypse series also comes with a certificate of authenticity, a limited edition patch, and a customized hard case for easy transport on your bug out. For more information on the CANiK Signature Series and all CANiK firearms, visit us today at CANiKUSA.com. And as always, stay safe and stay tuned.